The Spark by the Pond. One sunny morning, Ember, the bright and fiery dragon, flew over the forest enjoying the breeze. As she passed the pond, she noticed something unusual. A little fox was sitting by the water, staring at his reflection with a sad look on his face. His bright orange fur seemed dull and his tail hung low as though weighed down by something. Ember landed softly beside him. "Hey there, little fox. You look like something's bothering you," she said with a gentle smile. The fox lifted his head and blinked, his eyes filled with confusion. "I used to love running and playing here," he said, his voice trembling. "But everything feels different. I don't know how to start again." Ember sat down beside him, her wings fluttering gently in the breeze. "Starting again can be scary," she said. "But it's not about forgetting what you've loved. It's about making room for something new. Sometimes we need to let go of what feels familiar to make space for new adventures." The fox looked at her, his brow furrowed. "But what if I mess it up? What if it's too hard?" Ember thought for a moment, remembering when she first learned to fly. At first she was afraid. She wasn't sure if her wings would be strong enough or if she would soar high enough. But little by little, she learned that trying was the first step toward success. "You don't have to do it all at once," Ember said, nudging the fox gently. "Start with small steps. It's okay to feel scared, and it's okay not to have all the answers right away. The important thing is to keep trying, even when it's hard." The fox looked at Ember, his tail twitching slightly. "So I can still be scared and try something new?" he asked. Ember smiled warmly. "Yes! It's perfectly okay to feel nervous or unsure. Some of the best adventures start with a little bit of fear. You just have to take the first step." The fox's eyes brightened. Slowly, he stood up and took a few steps toward the water. Ember watched him, a proud smile on her face, as he began to play in the shallow water. His fears slowly melted away with every step, and although the pond was the same, everything felt new to him. Ember felt a warm glow in her chest, knowing that she had helped him see that new beginnings can be exciting, even if they come with a little fear. Change doesn't mean forgetting. It's about making space for something new while holding on to what you love.